So I know it doesn't look like it. I finished a 30-minute workout this morning, and it's been like half an hour, and I've been trying to get in here into my room where it's a little bit quieter to film this ab routine for today. We only have a few days left in this 30 days, so I encourage you to subscribe to the channel so you can finish the challenge with me. And then we're gonna get started. So let's get started. You're gonna need a weight. This is only a 10-pound weight, so it's pretty light, and an exercise mat if you want one. I like to use an exercise mat because my floor is hard. Our first exercise is going to be seated, weighted bicycle twists. Then we're going to do hip dips with our right side facing down. We're gonna lie back down on our backs for reverse crunches, and then we'll flip it over onto our other side for hip dips on the other side. We're gonna do 15 of everything, except for the bicycles, we're going to be doing 30. I wanna make sure that you know how to do that, so we're gonna get started with those. You're gonna be holding the weight, and you're going to be going in and out, like that, switching sides. To get started, we've got 15 to do on each side, so that's 30 total. So we'll count 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. Keep that tummy in tight. 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, this was fun. So let's say that you're not strong enough to do hip dips all the way up and down like this. So what can you do? Put your foot down behind you, up on your bottom leg, like this. Or you can bend your bottom leg and up like such to work your oblique this way. Keeping your legs straight, you're just bending your knee back behind you to support you a little bit more. Now we're gonna do hip dips, and we're gonna put our right side facing down first, and we're gonna do 15 hip dips like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We're gonna lie down for some reverse crunches. We're going to lie out flat, put our feet in, and pull your knees into your chest. That's 2 and 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. Make sure you get your butt up off of the floor as you do these. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Now we're going to flip it over. We're going to put our left side down for oblique, for hip dips on that side. And then that will be set 1. So 15, up, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can do what you want with your hand. You can keep it all the way up, or you can keep it down here on your hip. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Make sure you're keeping your tummy in tight. 15. That was only one set. You need to do 3 total sets. You're gonna flip onto your back side. You're gonna do weighted bicycle crunches again. Then 15 hip dips on one side, reverse crunches, hip dips on the other side, and do that twice. That way you get your 3 full sets and you start to see some results. Make sure you're doing a good job in the kitchen and not ruining what you do here in the kitchen. I'll see you tomorrow.